Hello, and welcome to Primasoft's tutorial video on how to enter new library members. Let's start by opening the library database. In the handy Library Manager main window, click Borrowers to open the Borrowers table. Click Add. And in the Add Borrower window, enter library user information. You only need the library member name. But if you are using a barcode scanner and library cards, you can either enter barcode manually or scan the ID number from the member ID card. Or, leave this field empty, and the application will create a unique barcode value for you. Click Save and Close or Save and Next to save the entry. Remember, if you don't enter the barcode number into the barcode field, the program will create this value for you. When you click Save, our application sets the date added value to the entry date. You can use date added when sorting your data or displaying a group of new records before printing labels. How much data should you enter about your patrons? It depends on your library type. If you print letters to library members, you can enter the address to print on address labels. Do you want to contact patrons by email? Send overdue email notices? Then enter the email address. School librarians could track grades, class names, or teachers. Remember to save the record each time you modify the entry. That concludes this tutorial video on entering library patrons manually. Thank you for watching.